Top 5. Profitable side hustles to earn extra cash. Freelance writing. If you have a way with words, you can make money by writing articles, blog posts, or even social media captions for clients. Virtual assistant. Many entrepreneurs and busy professionals are in need of someone to help with administrative tasks, scheduling, and managing their inbox. Photography. Selling your photos online can be a great way to earn money, especially if you have a knack for capturing beautiful moments. Online courses. If you have a skill or talent that you can teach, consider creating and selling online courses. Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare make it easy to share your knowledge and earn passive income. Consulting. Speaking of knowledge sharing, you can also start a consulting business. If you have expertise in a specific niche or industry, offering your advice and guidance to clients can be highly profitable.